You know how sticky it get, hey. You know how sticky it get, hey. You know how sticky it get, hey. You know how sticky it get, hey.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Beauty Forever Hair. They sent me over this M-cap wig. This wig has only one comb in the back and it comes with this like not sticky but like a silicone strip around the border, so it's not gonna move or anything like that. So today, oh, this is a closure wig as well, and today I'm gonna be showing you how I install it. This wig is a more kinkier wig. It's curly, but it's a more kinkier curl, like tighter curl. And I just went ahead and did my moisture routine. You guys know I always do moisture routine when I'm doing curly hair, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I laid this wig down, got the baby hairs to look nice and fluffy, you know, like I always do, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, we're starting off. At this point I feel like you know what the box look like. So this is what came in the box. All these goodies. It comes with 2 wig bands, 2 wig caps, and this satin bag. This is the thing that the wig came in, and it comes with an adjustable strap. It comes with one big, I'm going a little fast, but you guys can see this like thing I was talking about. This is the silicone strip, and it also has the M-cap design where your ear tab thingies are cut off. And this is how it looked when I initially put it on my head. I'm gonna try my best to tweak it so it can fit me as best as possible. I did not have to do this, but I just wanted to take out just a little bit of that lace. I'm going with my lace wonder spray, and I'm going to spray this all over the hairline, making sure that I brush it back so it does not dry clumpy. And yeah, you just want to do this and then just dry it on cool air, blowing it until it's dry to the touch, meaning until it's dry to your finger touch. And then you're going to tie it down. So I'm just spraying along the hairline, clipping that back, and then I'm going to blow it. Like I said, I'm putting some of the cream foundation in the color 15 all over the hairline, and then I'm going to take out the edges area, what I want to be edges. I'm doing a little bit of C shapes. You can't really tell, but these are like C-shaped, 2 C shapes because this is a closure. Right, and once you have those C shapes, I'm going back in with the foundation on the in-between part, and then I'm going to spray a little bit more of the lace melt spray. I'm drying, same thing I said, dry it until it's dry to the touch, and then I'm going to tie it down. And while it's setting, you want to tie it down for 15 minutes, but I'm just going to go ahead and detangle the hair, moisturize the hair, so by the time I'm done, it will be ready. So I'm sectioning in 4 sections, and you can see this is how it looks straight out of the packaging. I'm going in with a big brush to brush out these pre-made curls. I'm spritzing it with some water and I'm brushing it through until it feels damp enough. I'm going in with a leave-in conditioner. This is Pre-plucked Natural, so you can use any leave-in conditioner you like. And I'm using my Aussie Moist oil and some Care mousse. You can use any mousse. I like this one. So yeah. I actually have 3 different kinds that I use, but this is the one I'm using today. And then you want to get something like that, and then I'm going to do the same exact thing to the whole wig. Okay, and then once you're done, I'm going to go ahead and diffuse. Of course, I'm diffusing on high heat and low heat, back and forth. Then I take off the band. Everything is set now, so I'm using a comb to kind of loosen up the edges, and I'm using my pencil flat iron to curl the edges so it can give a nice fluffy baby hair look. Now once it's curled, I'm going to trim the hair down a little bit. And then I'm going to do the edges using some Got To Be. So you can see me kind of using the brush to swoop it, and then I'm using the other side to mold it down with my fingers, giving it a guide. guys, so yeah, this is how quick it was to put on. This is a wear and go wig. I will have it linked down below. Going in with some powder foundation in the color 12 just to fix up the part, and this is basically it. So this is how it turns out. It looks really cute, and I wanted to show you guys a different hairstyle. So the next day I came back and I just redid the edges because I took my wig off at night, and I am brushing the hair back, and then I'm parting it out because this is a closure, so I have to part it and make sure I'm parting right above the lash track. I kind of did it in like a curved motion. I'm clipping the hair, and then I'm going to take out these little pieces that I want to sit right above my edges. I wanted these little curls right there, and then I'm using the hot comb to flatten out and get rid of the part that I made previously. Now I'm going to my Nairobi foaming mousse, and I'm going to comb that through, and I'm using some big jumbo rubber bands to put my hair into a high ponytail. I didn't do it too tight because I don't want to pull out any of the hair from the lace. And then I'm going to do my moisture routine that I did yesterday, but I just decided to leave this part in because I don't think I show you guys as detailed as I wanted to. I go in with water, and then I use some cream, this curl cream. I'm putting a lot at the ends to make sure that the ends are nice and curled. Brush that through, and then apply the mousse of your choice. And then you want to brush that through, and then I am finger curling. So I'm doing this all over the head, and then I'm going to come back and talk to you guys some more. Okay, so once I'm done, I'm going to do the ponytail now, and I like taking my time with the ponytail because you don't want to mess this up. I put a little bit of mousse and then comb that through, and I wrap it around. Super simple. You could spray some Got2b or some of your hairspray just to make sure it doesn't move, but I did not do that. Doing the same routine method to the ponytail so everything can look, you know, nice and cohesive. So the same water, cream, mousse, finger coil. And then once I'm done finger coiling, I am going to go in with my diffuser. I always do high heat and then low heat when it comes to diffusing. This helps for me to get the quickest possible dry, even though diffusing does take a time. I'm going in with Aussie Moist Miracle Moist, and I am putting this in the hair but in a scrunching motion. And yeah, this is basically the look. It came out so freaking cute, very natural for all my black girls. Like, this is a vibe. And then I'm just like fluffing out some of the curls, and yeah, so this is how this style came out. Super duper pretty. I'm gonna talk to you guys some more, and yeah, bye. Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. It's about 95% dry, about 80 to 95% dry. It's not dried all the way, but it's good enough. If you guys enjoyed this video, if this video helped you out, if you're interested in getting this wig, I'll have it linked down below. Don't forget to check out Beauty Fry for Hair. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. This wig came out really pretty. I know when it dries, it's going to be bigger, so I may come back later just to show you guys how it looks 100% dry. And yeah, thank you guys so much for checking me out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.
Cause you know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy.